combination is number 3 and 6. After 1 and 8, this is the second most challenging combination. So those whose birth number is 3, that is, individuals born on 3, 12, 21 and 30th of any month, are those with birth number 3. Destiny number 6, that is those persons whose total date of birth adds up to number 6. Number 3 is ruled by Jupiter, while number 6 is ruled by Venus. Both these planets are considered to be the teachers or the gurus of the gods and the asuras respectively. So they are not friends, basically, they are always at loggerheads. So individuals with this combination of 3 and 6, ruled by Jupiter-Venus combination, are more inclined towards religious activities and have a natural liking for acquiring knowledge. This combination people achieve wealth and abundance through respectable means. However, the easygoing, carefree and the social inclined Venus creates more challenges to this combination because the individual is torn between spirituality way of life and the easygoing way of life. They often face challenges within and they face hurdles in their married life too. Because of this, they face a very complex period in their married life. They also face health related issues, mental or physical. Conflicts and disagreements and misunderstandings are a regular feature with their spouses. They should avoid wearing white and yellow color clothes. This retains positive energies. They should also avoid unnecessary disagreements with their spouse and foster a peaceful and understanding relationship. Encouraging creative expression and communication in relationships can create a balanced and harmonious blend of creativity and responsibility. So, therefore, the individual should try to blend this combination of creativity and the individual's ability to nurture a supportive environment for personal growth and encourage creative expression and communication in relationships. Do tune in for the next 2 combinations in my next video. So till then, keep watching.